Welcome to MixMasters, where we teach you how to make fresh craft cocktails. This week is Mother's Day, and you won't be taking her to a buffet to have her famous Mother's Day mimosa. So you'll probably have to make it at home since we're still shelter in place, okay? So, you know, a mimosa is champagne and orange juice. Today we're gonna make a Mimosa for Mother's Day, all right? Easy, you know everything I do is easy, okay? We're gonna use a little Saint Germain Elderflower Liqueur from France and a little Hibiscus juice with a little champagne. We're gonna change up the mimosa and make it a Mimosa. So, we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of hibiscus tea. Just a little splash, okay? You'll do a 1/2 ounce of the elderflower. That's it, okay? Put a little champagne on there. Pop bottles for Mother's Day. Pour that on top. Watch those booblies. Might fill it up a little too much. Put my candied flour in there. Let me stir it up just a little bit. Not much with those bubbles. I just happen to have some candied hibiscus flower. Stick that in there. Garnish it off, make it look a little fancy. And there you have your famous Mimosa. Happy Mother's Day.